Hi, I'm Elkie Holland from Prospectus IT Recruitment, and I'm here with David Cooper from Bluefin. David, hi. Thank you very much for giving me the time today.
You're very welcome, thank you.
Thank you. What I want to do is actually ask for your opinion on the MultiValue community and the challenge it faces for the future.
A lofty question.
It's a big one.
And why am I entitled to respond to that question? Well, yeah, I've been in the MultiValue world for over 26 years now, so I've seen a lot of change, and I happen to think that the MultiValue world has got a huge opportunity right now. I think that the whole emphasis on the mobile device arena, on how important the presentation of applications is an opportunity for the MultiValue software suppliers and developing departments within organisations to focus on delivering a great UI for existing MultiValue applications, such that the emphasis moves away from what database is servicing the back end, which has sometimes been to the detriment of the MultiValue community, and the focus at the moment, and certainly will be for the foreseeable future, is how is that UI delivered? You know, what devices can run the UI? So I think it's really important for us to learn the lessons of the 1990s, to look back at what happened when Windows first came on the scenes, and how many MultiValue vendors didn't go with the times. You know, they stayed with the character-based interface, and many of them lost out to Windows-based offerings. So it's an opportunity, but as with all opportunities, it doesn't come free of charge. You know, we need to invest in that UI creation process.
So what sort of challenges and opportunities do you think there'll be moving forward?
Well, certainly when you look at putting a new user interface onto your application, the amount of work that's going to involve really comes from the addition of two different parts. The first one is obviously you've got to create that new UI, but the second one is when that UI reaches down to get data, are you going to have to refactor your back-end database code so that you don't have UI mixed up with business logic? Many organisations in MultiValue have already done that separation, but that clear separation of data presentation from data provision and storage is absolutely key, and it's important that you do it in the right way so that you only invest in that data layering once, and that data supply can be utilised in multiple different ways. So that's certainly a challenge for many MultiValue vendors.
Okay. So what role do you see Bluefin having within the MultiValue market moving forwards?
Well, we're a great fan of MultiValue databases. You know, the whole reason for being a Bluefin is to make sure that MultiValue developers can be treated as first-class citizens within the Microsoft technology space. And so, you know, we're here as an organisation to provide both product and services to allow organisations to understand the quite complicated technical landscape that's opening out in front of us, and understand how they can use the technology that's there and evolving to take their current or develop new MultiValue applications that fit in with that new technology environment.
Okay, so for software houses and end users, you would work with both in order to help their products come into the future?
Absolutely. We've got lots of situations where we've worked closely with organisations to move their MultiValue application forward into the modern presentations that are out there, and it's something that we'd be really happy to share with people.
Okay, and obviously today that means mobile.
It does, okay. Yes, mobile. Yeah.
It is. Okay, David, thank you very much.
You're welcome, thank you.
Thank you. That was David Cooper from Bluefin.